Ah, do you remember the first time you started to date and the places you had to go just to be alone with your number one? Well, I hope this song brings back a whole lot of beautiful memories for you.
Did you boogie with your baby in the back row of the movie show? And did you boogie there cause you had nowhere else that you could go? And when the lights went way down low, did you forget about the picture show? Yes, did you boogie with your baby in the back row of the movie show? Hey little girl, was it so long ago? We take a walk just to be alone. Hey little girl, if it should rain or snow, remember where we could go. Did you boogie with your baby in the back row of the movie show? And did you boogie there cause you had nowhere else that you could go? And when the lights went way down low, did you forget about the picture show? Yes, did you boogie with your baby in the back row of the movie show?
Sometimes I get to thinking there's not enough love and romance left in our lives today, and that's why I'd like to reminisce and relive that first feeling of love and do it all over again.
Hey little girl, why not come over here and sit beside me and make believe? And say, little girl, why not stay over here? We'll have a party for two. Did you boogie with your baby in the back?
You remember the usher with the flashlight? Oh yeah. Hey, pass some of that popcorn over here, will you?
You had nowhere else that you could go. And when the lights went way down low, did you forget about the picture show? Yes, did you boogie with your baby in the back?